Hi, welcome to Stephanie Takes on Pinterest. Today I'm taking on stuffed green peppers, which I've never made before. This green pepper recipe has rice, Italian sausage, mozzarella, and Parmesan in it. Oh man, that looks so good. Oh, it smells really good too. Wow. I'm really excited to try these peppers. And we even had leftovers.
Oh, go crochet.
Good?
Very good. Has been approved.
Thank you again for watching Stephanie Takes on Pinterest. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If there's anything in particular you want me to try, go ahead and put it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.